loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can be part of the family. Ntando Duma broke her silence on Twitter after being questioned whether she was the woman spotted on a viral sex tape. The sex tape, which contains material of sexual nature, has gone viral, with many people convinced that it was Ntando Duma. Some tweets even tagged her on the videos, leaving her no other option but to clear the air. This is what she said. "I legit almost believe that was me in that video. Yaze yafana nam leyangane, but for confirmation, it is definitely not me and I would never do anything of that nature. Have a good day, everyone." I am glad that it was not Ntando Duma caught up in such a degrading video. Thank you for watching. I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do click that subscribe button so you can be part of the family.